How to find Facebook page ID. So if you want to find the Facebook page ID, then first you need to open up your Facebook application and you need to go with the upper right, which has that 3-bar icon. Go with the pages option and make sure that you've selected a page, or make sure that you're on the page. So I've been switched to my page. So once you're on the page, now you just need to simply go with the profile of your page and go with the right side, which has that 3 dots icon. And here on the bottom, you will have copy link option. So you just need to simply tap on copy link. And once you copy the link, that's the page ID of your Facebook page. Or there is also a second way. You can go with edit option. Tap on edit and then scroll all the way down and tap on edit your about info. And again, scroll all the way down and go to page transparency. And here you will have your page ID. So that's how you can find your Facebook page ID. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.